Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhavesh and in this video I will be showing you how you can create a custom conversion on Facebook ads account. Okay. So the first thing that you need to do is you can click on this button and you can go to the events manager. So once you reach the events manager, as you can see it's taking some time to load. So once you reach the events manager tab, what you can do is you can click on the expand or like you can click on custom conversions here. So from the custom conversion, you can see that I have a custom conversion active, but I'll create a new one. So I'll name this blog view. So I want to track people who are visiting my blog. The pixel will be Indian physicist website. I'll be tracking all URL traffic. And here is the important thing. So here the URL, I'm giving a rule that the URL should contain a particular keyword. You can also click on referring domains or even parameters, and here you can also click on doesn't contain or equals. So for now I'll click on contain and I'll copy the link. Now I just need to copy this word blog because I'm tracking this page, and I'll add this word here. Okay, so every time that someone reaches this page, this event will fire. You can add a conversion value if this is a checkout or a purchase, post purchase conversion. Then you can enter a checkout or a conversion value. But for this particular thing, I will not be doing anything. I'll just simply click on create, and the event is done. The custom conversion is created. Now, if you want to know how you can, so the status is still showing inactive. What we'll do is we'll just simply click on this particular page and we'll refresh it once to see if it is working or not. And as you can see that I have reloaded the page, this pixel helper should indicate something. So the moment I click on this pixel helper icon, it will start collecting data, and here you can see that the blog view event has fired. Okay, so the event is working, our custom conversion is working. Now we'll go back to this particular page and we'll hit the refresh button to see whether it is detecting here or not. Now depending on your browser cache, CDN and so on, that's well and good because we have already seen that it's showing up on the pixel helper. So let's just see if it's showing it. Yes, it is. So here you can see that the pixel status is active, like it's showing that this particular event or custom conversion is being tracked. Now if you want to delete or if you want to know how to delete a custom conversion, I will be making a video soon after this, so you guys can check it out. I hope you liked this video and you learned something new from it. If you did, just hit the like button. Let me know what you would want me to make more videos about, and I will make those videos for you guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.